Okay, this is how you can split your screen, as in get both the displays working with the same video. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, so you'll have to put it on full screen mode.
Nope.
Okay, Baba, let's go to full screen mode.
Nope.
Not sure if this is on full screen.
Nope.
No, I don't think so. It's on full screen. Okay, take 2.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Okay, buddy. Let's try that again. Yeah. So go to the full screen mode. Once this is up, you have to just swipe like this. Once this thing comes, okay, I'm not sure if I showed you. Let me show that again. Okay, once the video is playing, click on this to get your display to full screen. Then swipe from this side like this and select the second option, this one. There you go. With that, you'll get same video on both the screens. So these are something that we are able to figure out ourselves. We didn't take any service center's help. I'm sure these videos are already there available on YouTube. But yeah, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe and share the video to the folks who want to know how to get the display on both the screens. Thank you.